Hello everyone, welcome back to our new channel Honey Hashtag. Today we are going to discuss about a new topic, that is pronoun. So earlier classes we have discussed about noun and the rules of nouns, and today we are discussing about the pronoun. So in pronoun we will discuss about what is pronoun and types of pronouns, and further classes we will learn some rules of pronouns. Dive into the topic pronoun. So here, what is pronoun? Okay, so you can see here it is a noun. So advance of noun you can see pro. Okay, so let me see a pronoun. Okay, a pronoun is a word that replaces a noun to avoid repeating the same noun again and again. What pronoun says? A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun to avoid repeating the same noun again and again. So what it is? Okay, to understand this line of sentences you have to understand this example. If you understand these examples, so it will be clear to understand what is pronoun. So okay, let's see here the first example. Miss Churnika is a good teacher. Okay, and Miss Churnika is liked by students. So here you can see, here we are discussing about one person. Miss Churnika is a good teacher, and again we are saying Miss Churnika is liked by students. So here we are using the noun two times. Okay, suppose I want to tell about Miss Churnika another point. Okay, so then again we need to add Miss Churnika is so and so. Okay, so to overcome that, what we will do, here in the first sentence we are discussing about Miss Churnika, the person Miss Churnika. In the second sentence, rather than using Miss Churnika, here we are talking about Miss. So she is a girl or a lady. Okay, anyway it is a female person. Miss comes a female. So here we will add she. Miss Churnika is a good teacher. She is liked by students. So Miss Churnika will be replaced by she. Okay. Now let's understand second one. Mr. Varun, okay, is a good speaker. Mr. Varun lives in Visakhapatnam. Here we have two sentences. Okay. Here this sentence talked about Mr. Varun, and here also talks about Mr. Varun. At that time again we are talking about one person. Here also we are talking about this one person. These are two are same persons. Here Mr. is he. Okay, he is a male person. So rather than using Mr. Varun we will use he. Okay, now the sentence was Mr. Varun is a good speaker. He lives in Visakhapatnam. Okay, we are not using noun again and again. Okay, now see, a pronoun is a word, okay, that replaces a noun to avoid the repeating the same noun again and again. Here Miss Churnika, Miss Churnika, Mr. Varun, Mr. Varun. These are nouns. These are repeated twice. Okay, this is repeated again. So to repeated it again, so we need to replace with it with a pronoun. We need to replace with a pronoun. So that is the reason we used she. For females we will use she, and for males we will use he. Okay, so these are pronouns. You can see these list note points. These all are pronouns. Hope you understand. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun to avoid repeating the same noun again and again. So here also this is a noun. Here also again we are using a noun. So we have replaced with she. That is a pronoun. She is a pronoun and he is a pronoun. Note I, we, you, he, she, it, they. These all are pronouns. So in next we will discuss about types of pronouns. There are 10 types of pronouns. So here these are all are listed. Okay, the first one is personal pronoun. Number 2, possessive pronouns. Number 3, distributive pronouns. Number 4, reflexive pronouns. Number 5, reciprocal pronouns. Number 6, relative pronouns. Number 7, indefinite pronouns. Number 8, demonstrative pronouns. Number 9, emphasizing pronouns. Number 10, interrogative pronouns. So these are total 10 pronouns, types of pronouns. So now we will discuss about each type of pronoun. The first pronoun is personal pronoun. So personal pronoun speaks about a specific person or a thing. What personal pronoun? Used to refer to a specific person or a thing. These are the main. These were like pointing about a specific person or talking about a specific thing. Okay. So these personal pronouns are divided based on two categories. That is person and second one is case. What is the person and what is the case? We will discuss these things. As we discussed, there are two categories in personal pronouns. The first one is person and second one is case. So now let us discuss what are the things comes under the person. So here, as per the name person, we can say it was talking about a person. So it tells who is being talked about. Okay, means who is talking, by whom he was talking. So these are the things we can consider under the person. Okay, now in person we have three types: first person, second person and third person. First person, second person and third person. Each person will have two things like singular and plural. Okay, in first person we'll have singular and plural, in second person we'll have singular and plural, in the third person we'll have singular and plural. Coming to the first person, here we come. So yeah, coming to the first person, here we have I. I is singular. I is talking about, suppose I am, means it's talking about me. Okay, it is about singular. It is a plural. Suppose we are like here there are 5 to 6 members. Okay, then we can say like we can use we because it is a plural. For I, we use the plural. It comes under first person. Second person, here you can see you is singular and use the same you is in plural. As per the sentence, as per the situations, we need to use you as per the situation, whether it is a singular or whether it is plural. The third person is another third person, singular, there comes he, she, it. Plural is they. It is talking about a thing, it is talking about a girl or a man, it is talking about a man or boy. So it is talking about many. They means plural. Okay, this is talking about singular, this is about plural. We have how many persons? 3 persons, first person, second person and third person. First person, we in the singular will have I, in the plural we have we, in the second person we will have you, plural as you. Third person, he, she, it comes under singular and they will comes under plural. So as we discussed person, we have second one is case. Here we have second one case. So there are two cases. There are two cases of personal pronouns, that is subjective case, second one is objective case. So here what is subjective case and what is objective case? The subjective case you used as the subject of the verb, and objective case is used as the object of the verb or proposition. What is this subject? What is this object? So in every sentence we have two things like subject and object. Let us take example. This is just an example. Is reading a book. Okay, here Varun is reading a book. So here Varun is reading a book. Here this whatever Varun is there, it comes as subject. This comes as object. This comes as object. This is subject and this is object, and this is a verb, and this is as this is another verb, this is auxiliary verb or helping verb. Okay, so the sentence is divided. You can see this is the subject and this is an object and this is verb, and this one is an acts as an auxiliary verb or helping verb. So whenever we discuss about the next topic is verb, then we are going to get all things like what is the subject, what is this object, what is this verb. Why I will tell, because after discussing about verb, we will discuss about the topic that is tenses. When we start tenses, then when we start tenses, then the subject, object, verb will play a very, very important role. So here we have subjective and objective. So these all are personal pronouns. Persons, talk about persons. So for this is a subjective case and this is an objective case. For every subjective case there will be an objective case. I will refer as me, we will refer as us, you will refer as you only, he with him, she as her, it with it, they for them. This will play very crucial roles. Let me tell an example, okay? And mainly these objective case will be used in main passive voice. These will used in the active voice and these will use in the passive voice. Whenever we discuss about active voice and passive voice, this objective case will used by passive voice and this subjective case will used in the active voice. Whatever the sentences we use with these subjects, this all are comes under active voices. Whenever we use these objective cases, then it all comes under passive voice. Let's discuss an example. Okay, I am reading a book. I am reading a book. Okay, this let me tell you, this sentence comes under active voice. Okay, this is a subject and this is an object. Okay, how that I will used as me, how this subjective case and how this objective case will be used, let us see. A book is being read by me. The book is being read by me. This I is this me. This is the sentence which comes under passive voice. This sentence comes under active voice. Okay, so don't confuse. We will discuss in the further classes what is this active voice and what is this passive voice and what is this verb, how you will use the subjective cases and how you will use this objective case. Everything we will learn in the further classes. Don't get confused in this class. That's all for today. We hope you find the explanation clear and easy to understand. If this video helped you learn something new, please don't forget to like, share and most importantly hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on any upcoming grammar lesson. Your support really motivates me to create more helpful and interesting videos. Thanks a lot for watching. We will see you in the next video for more easy grammar rules and examples. Till then, keep learning and keep growing. Bye bye.